Hello travel enthusiasts, welcome back to iVisa's channel, your go-to place for everything you need to know about travel documentation. Today we're talking about a subject that you might be wondering about if you're planning on going on an Australian adventure. Do you need an Australia ETA or a visitor visa? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are Australian visas? You might wonder. Essentially, they are your official authorization to enter Australia. A visa can be an electronic document or even a stamp on your passport, indicating that you meet the necessary criteria to explore the country, from tourism trips to business engagements or academic purposes. An Australian visa grants access to the country, so you can experience different activities, events, or even go to live there. However, it is crucial to note that each visa type comes with its limitations, with duration constraints and specific permissions for work or study. If you need help to get your visa, let us help you. At iVisa, we have more than 10 years of experience helping travellers apply to their travel documents hassle-free. Now, let's go to the different visa types Australia offers. Visitor visas, ideal for tourists, business visitors, or family visits. These are short-term visas allowing for travel, leisure activities, or a short business trip. Student visas, for those who are seeking education in Australia, including vocational training or higher education, applicants must be enrolled in a course of study. Family and partner visas, for joining a spouse or family members in Australia. Requires a family relationship with an Australian resident or citizen. This category includes partner, parents and child visas. Working or skilled visas. For skilled workers, both temporary and permanent options based on employment offers or skills assessments. Humanitarian and refugee visas. For asylum seekers and refugee needing protection. Applicants must meet Australia's protection obligations. Working holiday visas. For young adults 18 to 30 to travel and work up to a year. Requires a passport from an eligible country. Transit visas. For travellers passing through Australia for up to 72 hours, ideal for those connecting to other international flights. Resident return visas, for former Australian permanent residents or citizens to maintain or regain their status. Bridging visas, issued during the processing of another visa application to maintain legal status in Australia. Medical treatment visas, for those seeking medical treatment or consultations, requires proof of treatment plans and financial means. Each type of visa has a specific purpose, so it's essential that you think carefully about which one fits your travel goals. There are 3 types of tourist visas: the ETA 601, the visitor visa 600, and the e-visitor 654. Deciding which visa is the best fit for your specific situation depends on a few things. For the ETA 601, it permits a 90-day consecutive stay in Australia within 12 months for tourism, transit, or business purposes. The ETA 601 visa is usually issued as a multi-entry visa for 12 months, allowing a stay for up to 3 months after each arrival. Longer stays of 6 to 12 months are sometimes granted, but this is unusual. Visitor holders are not eligible to work while on this visa, but they can study short courses of 12 weeks duration. Applicants must show proof of funds available and genuine reasons to return to their country. The visa fee for Australia ETA is approximately $13. Check this list if you want to know if you're eligible. You can pause the video or take a screenshot. Now let's talk about how to apply. Doing it through iVisa makes the whole process smooth. Here's a quick guide. Enter your details on our website or app. Check everything is correct and how quickly you want it processed. Pay the fees using a credit card or debit card, PayPal or Venmo. Finish the application, upload the necessary documents and submit. About the visitor visa 600. This visa is for passport holders not eligible for ETA 601 or e-visitor visas. Eligible citizens can obtain it from an Australian embassy or consulate for tourism or business purposes. Visitors visiting Australia to cruise or see family and friends can apply for 3, 6 or 12 month stay. The maximum stay with the Australian visitor visa for business is 3 months. The visitor visa comes for a cost around $126. Here's a list of the countries that need to apply for the specific visa. Take a screenshot or pause the video if you want to take a look. Let's talk about how to apply with iVisa. Here's a quick guide. Enter your details on our website or app. Confirm the details and pay with the fees with a credit card, debit card, PayPal or Venmo. For the e-visitor visa, choose how quickly you want to proceed before paying. Complete the rest of the application, upload the required documents and submit. If you need a visa appointment, iVisa will handle it with the nearest Australian embassy, consulate or visa application centre. Rest assured, our team manages all the necessary steps to ensure a successful application. Once processed, your ETA or visitor visa will be delivered directly to your email. For the e-visitor 654, this visa is valid for a 90-day consecutive stay in Australia within 12 months for tourism, transit or business purposes. The e-visitor visa is only available to passport holders of the European Union member states and citizens of Andorra, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Monaco, Norway, San Marino, Switzerland and the Vatican City. The e-visitor visa is free. Sounds like a lot? Let us guide you. You'll experience a streamlined and supportive visa application process, which includes professional review and application assistance, ensuring you get extra help and ease throughout the process. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating the complexities in an Australian ETA various visitor visa. Choosing between the two doesn't need to be a hassle. Whether you lean towards the digital efficiency of the ETA or flexibility of your visitor visa, iVisa is here to simplify the process and boost your travel experience. Ready to start planning your Australian journey? Let us help you with that. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights and visa updates. Until next time, safe travels!